Please download Telugu Stop Android app in Play Store or iOS app in App Store and stay tuned to latest news as it happens. Hyderabad, October 17th. The Congress campaign for next month's assembly elections in Telangana is set to get a boost with party leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi participating in the bus yatra from Wednesday. Both the leaders will arrive in Telangana in the evening and will visit Ramappa Temple in Mulugu constituency. They will participate in Vijay Veeri Yatra from the temple to Ramanujpuram, where they will address the public meeting. Rahul Gandhi will participate in the bus yatra from Mulugu town to Bhupalapalli, covering a distance of 35 kilometers. He will subsequently participate in the Padyatra in Bhupalpally. The Congress leader will walk with unemployed youth to know their problems. Congress leaders said while Priyanka Gandhi will participate in the bus yatra only on the first day, Rahul Gandhi will continue his visit till October 20th. The bus yatra will be held in 3 phases. In the first phase till October 20th, Rahul Gandhi will cover a distance of about 190 kilometers covering 5 assembly constituencies in Mulugu, Warangal, Karimnagar, and Nizamabad districts. State Congress Chief A. Revant Reddy said Rahul Gandhi will address public meetings, undertake Padyatra and also interact with various sections of people. This will be the first visit by the party's central leaders to Telangana after the announcement of election schedule last week. The Congress party on October 15 announced candidates for 55 out of 119 assembly seats in the state. The second list is likely to be released after October 20th. The party leaders hope that Rahul Gandhi's visit will give impetus to the party campaign for November 30th elections. The Congress camp is already upbeat after last month's massive public meeting in Hyderabad where the party announced 6 guarantees. The entire top leadership of Congress had attended the public meeting held on September 17 at the end of 2-day meeting of the Congress Working Committee, CWC. After the meeting, the party leaders visited all the assembly constituencies in the state to go door to door to explain the 6 guarantees. The party is confident that 6 guarantees will help it repeat its Karnataka performance and storm to power after missing it twice despite claiming credit for carving out Telangana state. As per the schedule of the bus yatra, Rahul Gandhi will visit Ramagundam constituency on October 19. He will interact with leaders of workers' unions of Singareni, NTPC and RFCL and also contract workers. He will then participate in the bus yatra from Ramagundam to Peddapalli, covering a distance of 30 kilometers. He will also address a public meeting and interact with the Rice Millers Association and farmers. Rahul Gandhi will then travel in the bus from Peddapalli to Karimnagar, a distance of 35 kilometers. He will participate in the Padyatra in Karimnagar for 1 hour in the evening. On October 20th, Rahul Gandhi will cover Bodhan, Armoor and Nizamabad district. In Bodhan constituency, he will interact with BD rollers and families of Gulf migrant workers. The MP will also visit Nizam Sugar Factory. He will then participate in the bus yatra from Bodhan to Armoor, a distance of 50 kilometers. At Armoor, he will address a public meeting and also interact with turmeric and sugarcane farmers. This will be followed by bus yatra from Armoor to Nizamabad, a distance of 25 kilometers. He will conclude a 3-day visit with Padyatra at Nizamabad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.